probability of a positive detection. Okay. Now, it's a little bit trickier, and I'm going to just go onto a new page here in relation to this here. Okay. So this probability where we haven't actually been provided with, albeit we have sort of been provided. Let's have a look at this here. Okay. So this probability, I'll just do it out in a little bit more detail here. The probability of getting a positive result is actually, well, let's think about it. Getting a positive result, okay, there's two things that could have happened. We could have had that the data that was provided to it, yeah, was actually spam, okay, or the data wasn't spam. So that's actually the same as the probability, okay, that the data that you got a positive result and had spam, okay, or okay, let's keep this here together, okay, or you got a positive result and the data was not spam, if that makes sense. Okay, this is a little bit complicated, I know, okay, but this is the addition rule. Okay, so this becomes the probability, okay, of a positive result and spam, okay, plus the probability of a positive result and not spam. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Now this is an AND, so this is a product rule. Okay, but this is actually equal to now the conditional probabilities, okay, which we know. So this is actually going to be the probability that it's positive, knowing that it's spam, times the probability that it's spam. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, based on our conditional probabilities, plus this thing here is the probability that it's positive, knowing that it's not spam. Okay, times the probability that it's not spam. Now, actually, we have all of this already because we know. We said at the start of this process, okay, that the probability of something being positive and spam is 0.90. So this actually becomes 0.90 times the probability of spam, which is 0.03, plus the probability of positive and not spam is this negative thing happening, yeah, okay, is 0.02. times the probability of not spam. Well, the probability of not spam, there's the probability of spam, so the probability of not spam must be 1 minus that, so which is 0.97. Okay, which now tells us that the probability of a positive result, and I'm just going to grab my calculator, here it is here, the probability of a positive result is 0.9 times 0.03, okay, plus 0.02 times 0.97, which gives us probability of a positive result is 0.0464. Okay, so now what we have is this, okay, is that in general the probability of a positive result, so this becomes 0.90 times 0.03 divided by, well, the probability of a positive result is 0.0464, which gives us, let's do this, 0.90 times 0.03 divided by 0.0464 gives us a value of approximately 0.58, which is 58%. Okay, which is interesting. Okay, that's the answer. So what this is saying here is this: is that, okay, knowing that we fed, if we get an email, okay, and if our algorithm gives us a positive result, okay, if our algorithm gives us a positive result, which we know because our algorithm is going to say, bing, bing, that's a positive result. Well, then the probability that the email was actually spam is your 58% chance that it's actually spam. Okay, so you can actually see the unusual thing here is this: is that the email, when given an actual spam email, detects it positively at 90%. Okay, but that's not what we're looking for. What we're interested in is, okay, if the algorithm says this is a positive, this highlights it as positively spam, well, then the likelihood that it's actually spam is only 8% greater than flipping a coin, if that makes sense. Okay, okay guys, once again, this was Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland, and this particular video, another video in our series of videos dealing with probability theory, and particularly in relation to Bayes' theorem, and looking at another example, this time in relation to spam detection and the actual rates, the actual probability of your algorithm actually truly classifying an email as spam. Well, I hope that this was in some way intuitive, and more importantly, I actually hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.